Welcome to the Qualitru Sampling System's Inline Direct Load Sampling System Training Guide. The following tutorial will demonstrate the proper method for collecting representative raw milk samples from a Qualitru Inline Direct Load Sample System. The items needed for the Qualitru Inline Direct Load Sampling System include a TruStream 7 or TruStream 12 stainless steel port, a 7 or 12 channel Qualitru sterile septum, a blue dust cover, a peristaltic pump to draw out the raw milk sample, a TruStream collection unit designed for use with a peristaltic pump, a wrench for tightening the nut used to hold the septum in the Qualitru port, alcohol or sanitizer for swabbing the inside of the stainless steel port, and a separate swab for cleaning the front of the Qualitru sterile septum prior to needle insertion, hand sanitizer to clean hands before sampling, a pair of sanitized scissors or other tool for cutting, and a refrigerator or cooler with ice and water to keep the sample at between 0 and 4.4 degrees Celsius as required by PMO regulations. To begin, wash hands thoroughly prior to putting on personal protective gear and disposable gloves. Remove the appropriate Qualitru septum from the package by peeling the clear cover away from the white backing or cutting the plastic package. Be sure not to touch the bottom portion of the septum. With an alcohol-saturated swab or alcohol wipe, clean the inside of the stainless steel port. Place the septum into the stainless steel port and then tighten the nut over the septum. Hand tighten the nut, then tighten it 1/8 turn with a wrench. With an alcohol swab, sanitize the surface of the septum for 15 to 20 seconds. Next, remove the safety cover from the needle attached to the collection bag and then insert the needle into the septum. Save the safety cover for needle disposal. When inserting the needle into the center channel, push the needle straight in. The 6 remaining needle channels are slightly slanted toward the center. Turn the bevel of the needle outward. When using these channels, push the needle in at a slight angle as indicated by their position on the septum. After all 7 or 12 septum channels have been used, replace with a new Qualitru septum. Never use the same channel twice. Place the soft portion of the tube attached to the collection bag into the peristaltic pump, and place the bag in the cooler or refrigerator that is set between 0 and 4.4 degrees Celsius as required by PMO regulations. Set the pump to the desired speed. After the milking cycle has begun, turn on the peristaltic pump. The peristaltic pump will pull a consistent volume of raw milk throughout the entire milking cycle. Once complete, turn off the peristaltic pump and remove the needle from the septum. Place the safety cover on the needle and then remove the needle and discard in a sharps container. Make a knot by tying the tubing set off approximately 6 inches from the bag. Tie a second knot 3 inches above the first knot. The bag can now be stored in a refrigerator to maintain the proper temperature between 0 and 4.4 degrees Celsius as required by PMO regulations. The person certified to take the sample should remove the bag from the refrigerator and agitate the sample 25 times to ensure even distribution of the raw milk prior to filling the sample vials. For proper agitation, roll the bag 180 degrees upside down and then return upright, visualizing the butter fat cascading with each turn. Next, use sanitized scissors to cut the tube approximately 3 inches above the bag top. Leave the tube for 3 seconds with milk. Now you can pour the milk into appropriate regulatory approved sample vials for testing based on your state or co-op requirements. Thank you for using Qualitru Sampling Systems. For more information, please visit our website or call 651-501-2337.